see the damage when I look around, but I'm still here breathing, so I'm here for now. If I could step outside my head and tell myself what I know now. Find something you believe in. Find someone who will leave when everything you build starts breaking down. Find a place you can return to. Find a truth you can hold on to when the lights go out and you're lost somehow. It's love, 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 love. When everything's falling out, it's love, 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 love that pulls you back somehow. I gave all my time to the wrong mistakes. Tried to outrun fear, but it always stayed. Every open road still feels the same, but I'm learning now it's okay to change. If I could rewind the nights, I'd tell myself I'll be alright. Find something you believe in. Find someone who will leave when everything you build starts breaking down. Find a place you can return to. Find a truth you can hold on to when the lights go out and you're lost somehow. It's love, 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 love. When everything's falling out, it's love, 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 love that pulls you back somehow. Love, love, when you're barely holding on. Love, love, when the feeling's gone. I'm alone, I'm a broken home. I gave you all the bricks that I own and know. I'm letting go, I'm breaking these walls down, breaking these walls down. If you want adventure, then fly to home. But if you wanna travel, then go alone. Yeah, what's the point in us if I never know? Yeah, if you're gonna leave, I'ma let you go. I'm tired of the pain. Go away. I'm tired with yesterday. Harder, harder.
How's it going, guys? Hope you had a great day yesterday. And today. How has the day been going for you guys? Yo, what's up, town? How you doing, brother? I've reached the hard time frame discount level here. We're inside this daily BC as well. Reaches a weekly retracement of 20%. If we get this 5-minute inversion during the macro, I think we will continue higher because we have left a lot of liquidity up here. We've left a lot of liquidity up here, which we'll be going for. Said Devil's Mark, series of equal highs. I want to see if we will continue higher from here. We might be going lower all the way to Friday's RTH gap. We haven't filled our RTH gap as well. We left trend line liquidity. Could be a potential buy here. The only scenario I would sell, and it will confirm shorts for me, continuation lower, will be coming all the way lower, leaving a low above this here, first presentation, bounce back, continue lower. That's the only scenario out short. If we just come back here and then we sweep that low and I see continuation higher, I will be longing this market. Because we're overall bullish and we have reached a discount. So when you are bullish, you wanna wait for discount, and we're already waited. We have reached a discount now, so we might bounce from here. Let's see if they make a failure swing here. Continue higher. Open. Interesting. I think we're gonna go lower here. If we continue lower, we still have a continuation cause, which is AM low and the 30% retracement level, and this Friday's RTH gap be filled. So we could be taking a sell, as I have explained. So it's either a sell or a buy here. Just gotta wait. Market will show us its hand, then we will follow through. But so far I'm reading a sell. Don't think there's anything interesting in this macro. Might go. I don't want to miss my prayer, and I haven't prayed yet, so I will go get my prayer done. I'll set an alert here. I will go get my prayer done. I will also put a coffee to be made, and I'll be back, guys. Okay? We will try not to miss anything on the charts, but there's nothing to do here, so I'll be back. I'm looking for a short, but it's very risky, man. Because we're in discount. So looking for this short here. But you're in discount here, so the only scenario I would take a short will be when we leave a low above 930 first presentation here, and then we bounce back, and then we can take a short down to Friday's or the previous week 30% retracement level and Friday's RTH gap. These are the levels I'm drawing for. But right now I'm not getting into these shorts here. I would rather wait, let the market decide where it wants to go, and I will follow through. I'll not force where I wanna, like I'll not force a trade. Because logically we are in hard time frame discount and we are inside hard time frame key PD arrays. We're so bullish on the hard time frame. So I don't wanna be going against it, forcing my will on the market. I would rather wait for the market to decide where it wants to go, and I will follow through. Means it doesn't look bad here, the short itself. Yeah, I would rather wait here. Just gonna be waiting here, man. I'll be back in a second. I'll just very quick. Let me give me a second. browser's charting here, as I'm using my browser's trading view. He's charting on his phone. You can see it. It's okay, I'll let him do that. He will let me do that because I'm using his trading view actually. I wanna see why did he draw that line there? Does he see something? Okay, I don't know what my brother is doing. Just let him do it. I didn't draw this line here, it's my brother. I don't know why he's drawing there. Oh, I think I know now. Might be a break-even level for him here. But I'm not in this short. Anyways. Still waiting. Yeah. He's break even on this trade. So he took these shorts here, guys. 1-to-1 is it, and he's holding. Yep, he took this trade here. Look, he's charting. I'm not even charting. It's great to see him trading the model. But like sometimes I will not like setups. Not take. He will take them. But it's okay. Same macro inversion here forming, but the low is short of. This low is short of 930 first presentation right there. If you come back to this EQ here, give a short setup, I will take that. This is the scenario we explained here. That's what I'm waiting for. It looks very nice. It's a very, very nice setup. I really like it. What do you think, guys? Do you think it's a good setup, or what do you think? There was one of these ones I really liked. Let me find the one I liked yesterday. This copyright-free music. One of them we really liked it together. I think it was this one. Yeah. Nice one. How's it going, guys? Anybody in the trade? Delta, are you in a trade? Even if you enter here, the problem is there's not enough range if you enter from here. From this inversion. Down all the way is our target down here. Just gonna be patient here. My win rate on Tuesday is the lowest. Like Tuesday is the lowest day in my win rate, so gonna be chilling. Not gonna be forcing any setups. Mainly want to take a continuation setup when it's super clean, super clear. I don't want to force any setup, especially that it is CPI day as well. On a Tuesday, that is crazy, you know. My win rate on this day is very low. That was hot, man. That was hot. Okay, this setup looks amazing. Let's try it. If we take the sell side before giving us an entry, that will be crazy. Okay, no entries. It's okay. No entries so far. You have an SMT here. No entry in the shorts here. We're waiting, but I don't think we'll get an entry. Yeah. Never mind. No entry. It's okay. Just chill here. Nice. Even if the market is moving, doesn't mean that we must be in a trade. It's okay to miss out on a few trades, as long as they're not a part of our system. We will not take them. But if they are part of our system, we will take these setups gladly. So yeah, that's why I'm avoiding these setups. Because if I enter here, let's say I entered here, okay, this closure, like my B level has already been hit, so we're way too deep here for an entry for me in discount. But it was a clean setup here, but not for me. This might be a reclaim busy. Take it on the way up here. Shorts is bleeding for sure. It's okay. Just gonna wait. The hard time frame is now bearish. Yeah, I'm not gonna take shorts. But still hard time frame is now bearish. So let you know, so shorts here might be misleading. I think the shorts are actually the right play. Shorts are very good down to these levels here, and could even continue all the way lower down here. I think shorts are amazing, but it's just not within my system, so I can't really enter a trade. But my direction is lower. I'm looking for shorts since up here. I've just been looking for shorts. But my model isn't present here, so I can't really trade that. Just trying to be extra careful today, because Tuesday is my worst performing day. So I don't want to be afraid. Like, I'm not being afraid, but I'm just being extra cautious here when I'm taking a setup. I make sure that it's checking all of the boxes and it's aligning perfectly before I take it. Let's check gold. XAU. It's my brother's trading view, as I told you, so I don't even know. Okay. Yeah, shorts. Yeah, I remember we had this dealing range on my trading view. We reached a discount here, premium. So the market started selling. Gold. Gold's going down to these relative equal lows down here, man. Down to 648. Very close now. Was there a good short? Let's see. Yep, this one here. At 950 macro. But I would have traded that. There was no trades here for me as well on gold. No setups at all. So just patience. We're gonna wait 1050. Maybe by 1050 you can get a trade. 1050 is an amazing macro. I love this macro. And if we get a setup there, that would be brilliant. Waiting all day for 1050. There you go, shorts. Keep going. Yeah, I'm gonna wait, because if you're trying to chase here shorts in deep discount, it's crazy. You know, you can just get stopped right away. Can reverse on you. So what I would rather wait for is engineered liquidity somewhere. Like, for example, when we were waiting for engineered liquidity above 930, like this low here, but it engineered it and took it right away, didn't give us the entry before it took it, so that wasn't valid for my setup. But in that case, it engineered this low, and then we wanted to take a setup in the direction of the engineered low, not just taking a setup because we expect it's going lower, because that's forcing our expectations in the market. No, we're gonna take a setup when it's super clear there's a reason to continue low, based on the hard time frame as well, order flow. I think 1050. I don't understand, Tom. What do you mean? مش فاهم اخويا. $11.50 will be an amazing macro. We'll have a great trade. Eyes on here, opening range low, 30% retracement level, RTH gap. All of these are potential magnets for price here. $10.50. 1050 is 550. 550. There we go. The market is going lower. Now we got engineered sell side. It's going to this low. I'm editing a clip I want to post today. We'll wait next macro, and if the next macro gives us this setup, I'll gladly take it. If not, it's okay. Waiting for the next macro as always. We're above the 30% retracement level. Took the opening range low. Just waiting to see if it will come down to 30% retracement. Just waiting here, man. What's a crazy clip? How has it been going, guys? Anybody wants to play chess? Anybody wants to hop on chess? I'm good here. Yo, guys. Anybody wants to open chess? Waiting for you guys. I wanna play with one of you. Chess, guys. Just calm down. Okay, I'll just Let's just play a random one. Play a 10-minute game. Any. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Start the game. Every stage. United Kingdom. Okay. Just play the classics here. That's crazy. Oh, you can't see my screen. Sorry, guys. My bad. My bad. I thought you could have. You were able to see my chest. I was waiting the whole time for you guys. My bad. King moves. Okay. Perfect. Okay, I wanna. That's what I'm saying. I'll put this here. I'm just trying to think, why would he want to go here? Anyways, okay. These are his only moves. Okay. No. Can trade. Push. Queen. Trade. This, so need to. Okay. Very bad move. Asking for his queen now. Queen dead. The only move is here. Once the queen moves here, we can go ahead and protect this. Okay, bishop. Okay. Oh, I should have played this knight first. Well. I think I've done it so fast. Perfect. Now I can go here. Yep. So he didn't see that I can threaten his rook. As I'm searching his rook. It's okay. It's okay, man. I'll take it. For a pawn, I'll take that all the way. Checkmate? No. Okay. Because he got this here. Wow. This. Begins here. So let's just think about it, okay, guys? The problem is my pieces are in a very bad position. Okay, if I get my rook here, place this here, trade queens, and then I can. If I push this pawn, I can then open the way for checkmate. Okay, let's try this. Let's try this. So what I'm thinking is he will eat. Okay. Then I'm gonna push my. Yeah, I'm gonna eat with. Okay, he's gonna eat with a checkmate. Wait a second. Let me think about it. Okay, I gotta do that first. Okay. I understand now. Because if I want to eat with the horse, then he eats with the queen, then I push my bishop. Okay. He wants to die now. Okay. Okay. Okay, he's dead. Play this game, we'll play this game, man. You know what? I can sacrifice my bishop here. He will go with the queen to eat it. Okay, he's already asking for the bishop. Perfect. He'll go with the queen to eat the bishop. And that's a checkmate here. Or no, wait a second. Oh, my bad. Didn't calculate that. Okay. He'll beat up a queen on me. Yeah, that's my bad. That's my bad. Well, you know what? I can eat here and threaten his queen. Bishop. Well. I'll just play the long game because I don't know if I win in this end game. Like threaten his queen. I don't know if it's winnable for me, man. Okay. I like it. Push again, but after we clear that with this horse. So the plan is I will push the knight here. It will kick his queen somewhere. I don't know, somewhere. And then after we push this knight here and his queen goes anywhere, we can then do our double check. Because his queen is controlling this. So yeah. plan. Check. Move. Because if he eats, I eat. Yeah, setup is cooking, man. Okay, he played. Wait, let me see. Go here. Let's check. It's a checkmate. Okay. So if he eats, this is a trap. I will eat, and then he will. It's a checkmate. It's check, so he will have to go here with the queen. Then I will eat. It's checkmate. Oh, okay. I think I won this game. I think we won here. Yeah, the right choice here was not eating the piece, but still, if I eat, he eats. I eat. It's a checkmate. So I think it's the same thing. Because I'm controlling this block here with the knight. He can't even move his king to help. He lost the game, man. Yeah, he lost it. GG's. Should I type it to him in chat? GG's. Checkmate. We are cooking, guys. We are cooking, okay? 2 wins in a row on streams. I'm starting to get good at chess somehow. Whoa. I was a terrible player in the beginning. There. What do you think, guys, of this game? I think it was a great game. Good sport, good sport. Chat disabled, okay. Wow, that was a nice game, man. Ah, bro. Okay. Rishi DQ. First presentation right here. 15 minutes Sebi. Okay, we're cooking, guys. So, I'm gonna wait for this to get tagged. Which is this high. 15 minutes Sebi. Okay. Love that. Shallow stop hunt here. Okay, I'll go to the toilet real quick and I'll be back, guys. Had a great game today, man. I love it. I love it. We are back. Okay. This trade is cooking here, so I wanna see it. Get into this 15-minute SIBI. We have an SMT with a 15-minute SIBI here. Yeah, SMT. I think we'll keep going lower here. No entries for us, sadly. No even one single entry for us. Paying close attention here if you get trade. Wait, let's see. Not in a trade, still waiting. Waiting will always put you ahead, guys. What are we waiting for? We're waiting for manipulation here during this macro. Manipulation above macro opening price. Into Friday's RTH gap. And this super clear draw. Taking this low by very shallow stop on. Or just liquid around. Yeah. We're waiting, guys. Don't try to rush in a trade. Market could leave us, could go anywhere, but we're waiting. Still waiting for manipulation here. I mean, manipulation occurred pre-macro. This could be a spooling macro. But I'm not trading spooling macros. So it's not part of my system currently, so I just wait. I don't know why my browser doesn't have quadrants here. But you can see it's 75 level here. Either ways, we're gonna wait. Pushing lower. Nice, nice, nice. Nice. It's going for our target. Am I mad about that? Nope. Is that stressing me out? Nope. We accept that. We accept that we are patient. We accept that we're waiting and we'll get rewarded on the long term. Equal lows right here. Let's see. You can see my P&L down here, guys, like down there at the bottom. Like right here. My P&L isn't moving because I'm not in a position. Once I'm in a position, I will let you know, but I'm not taking a trade here. I've been reading shorts since we have came on the stream. Guys, there's no trades for me. So you'll never see me forcing a trade just because I want to take a trade. Just because I'm reading the direction lower doesn't mean that I have to get in a trade lower. My checklist isn't fully met, so I gotta wait patiently here. We got 12 open around the corner. Want to see if 12 open will push us higher. And then we use this 1 hour PS3 to take a sell lower into this equal lows and the 30% retracement target for the weekly candle. Okay, equal lows are gone. 30% retracement target has been hit. The current objective is fill Friday's RTH gap and tap London low. Let's edit that. I'll put this up here for you guys. Okay, keep it down. We can keep it here. Welcome back, Tamo. You've missed a great chess game, my friend. We had a very nice chess game. I won against a random, but it was a very nice game. Loved it. I want to study this game. I don't know how I put him in this position, to be honest. It started with him plundering. He made a very bad blunder, and I followed with my knight pressuring his queen. Then he couldn't. Then he made a mistake as well, moving his queen. I tagged it. Yeah, I can. It was a very nice game. We'll go back, review that game as well. Okay. Okay, we're waiting. Charts are melting, man. It's okay. Yeah, he made a mistake, and I followed up by a big mistake. Like I believe it was a big mistake. Like not a mistake, but it was like a big risk I was taking. It was the night, and he actually fell for it. So it's crazy. RTH gap CE is right here, guys, at 793, I believe. 795. 795 is the current objective for price before going towards 783. 783. Okay. 12 open here. Of course, we're looking for this bearish Po3. We got the end dog as well. Okay. Oh my god, what is that? My brother's trading view, man. Okay, dash line. Open. Okay, that's here. There we go. Push higher. I see this here as engineered sell side. Friday RTH gap C. So what we're looking for is a short from here. Into London low as well. 15-minute immediate rebalance here, guys. I really like this setup, man. Just keep going to EQ, man. Why would he stop here? Keep going EQ. Let's check our checklist here. We got the draw. Yep. Everything is clean here. This is a setup we're looking for, guys. 42 points. Well, they're leaving engineered buy side here below this first presentation gap. We have to go up and clear this high now. While we have an SMT with ES, this might be a reversal. But I will not place a reversal here. I'll wait for the market to show its hand first because I'm bearish on the hard time frame currently. So as I'm bearish on the hard time frame, I'm gonna wait patiently for a sell setup. I'm not gonna chase the market to go lower. Since we're short of this first presentation, I'll wait for that. $12 open high. Get your beautiful SMT. Clear this. Price footprints. Once we're in a trade, you will know, guys, but we are still waiting. What do you think, guys? Think it's a beautiful setup here. Just gotta take out this high. $12 open high. Nice. Think through candles here, man. How much that would be? Around 0.6, okay. 26 points. 27. Okay, 27 points of stop loss. Okay. They must take out this high here before any shorts. Any shorts are invalid. Any shorts here, guys, are invalid. We're waiting for them to take out the high. They got a 10-minute window to do it. If they don't do it within this 10-minute window, we are done. You got 11 minutes exactly to be accurate. I'll put on my time. Why isn't it bright? I don't know. And my browser settings are. Visual, different. It's okay, it's okay. They have to do it within this window here. If they give us this trade, but outside this window, I can't really take a trade, guys. I'm just gonna wait. Let me open this window. I need some air. Okay. Perfect. Here, if they continue higher now, and they take out the current high, tap the first presentation gap, and then give us our short entry. An inversion here. I can't really take this setup. Bruh. Bro. Let me check my checklist. Thing is, I'm extremely bearish here. But we're gonna go for this. Yeah. This setup we've been waiting for. I really like it. Waiting for an entry here. Didn't enter yet. I'm still waiting. Okay, guys. Okay, we're about to get in. I'm in this trade. I'm gonna set my partial TP. this. Can you buy here? Reclaimed 5 minute. Wearing beautiful shorts here. I'm gonna add to my position if it goes in drawdown. You can see I already have a sell limit at the 40% level. Okay. She's melting, man. Once we close below the hyperability inversion, I'm going to break even. Okay, we're moving stop loss to break even now. I'm deleting the limit order. Partial TP is about to be hit. First partial out. She's rolling. Okay guys, that's an amazing trade. Because we followed our system, we stayed patient. We waited all day for this trade. And I told you, 1150 is where my model excels. So we're gonna wait for that time. We're not gonna rush into a trade. We're gonna be patient. That's all that matters, man. And even if this was a loser, I followed my model regardless. If it was a winner, that's good. That's how it should be, guys. We're data-driven traders and consistently profitable traders. Gonna hold this runner for 1 to 2 now. Let's see if it gets a 1 to 2 level. Still holding this trade, as you can see. We're still waiting, nothing crazy. I'm not forcing anything. She's still inside this inversion, as you can see. Didn't close above it, which is a very, very good sign for continuation lower. I want to see price continue expanding lower from here. Oh, there we go. Volume's kicking in. I think to exit the short is very nice at 795. Right there. If you wanna hold it for the whole day, I think fills the Friday's RTH gap, which is at the lower 80s, I believe. 81. 781. But I think to exit the short for me, I'll exit here at 800. 801 is my exit for the shorts, personally. I'm not looking for the whole move, I'm just looking to get my piece and I'll get out. There we go, man. Just want to make sure my TP is the same as in trading views. That's why I'm moving it. Because I think we're off by a lot here. I'll just move this and I'll close it manually on the alert. There we go. Oh, we're about to exit. We are out. Whoa, let's go, guys. What an amazing trade. I'm fully out of this trade. Let's go. Amazing position, man. We've waited all day long for this position. We have been very disciplined. We have been very strong. Like, that's all that matters, man. It doesn't matter, like, all of the price consolidations that happened and the price moving lower without us and everything doesn't matter to me. I didn't care that the price was moving without me. I just wanted to wait for my model. So exactly what we waited for played out. And I'm not saying that I predict the market every day like that. I'm not saying that I predicted like the market because I'm the one moving it. No, I'm just following my model. And my model has a very high accuracy rate. That's why with full confidence I can plan out scenarios and wait for these scenarios to play out and then follow through. So basically what we waited for is we waited for them to engineer liquidity. So they engineered the low here above Friday's RTH gap CE, which is still untapped right there. Then what did they do? 12 opened, push higher. They pushed higher, engineered highs here, waited for these engineered highs to be taken, and then we entered on the inversion. Okay, we took a trade on the inversion, targeting the engineered low, following the bearish narrative we had with the 12 AM opening high for a bearish 1 hour candle Po3. And that was it. Pretty simple trade. Took my piece and I'm out, man. That's all I want for the day. That's all I want. Our objective has been very precise, and we filled our objective, and I'm very confident. I'm very happy and confident about it. And yeah, man, like I'm just gonna call today here. Tuesday is my worst day trading on my statistics, but we managed to get a win. But all that matters is that we followed our plan. That's why it's a great day, because I didn't tilt, I didn't have FOMO when the price was moving without me. Price was melting in my direction when I wanted to take shorts, but I didn't force shorts. I waited for the shorts to come to me, and the shorts came to us and we took it. So that's all that matters, guys. Thank you so much for being here today. That's it for me today. I will go on, edit some videos and work on new content for you guys. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you, Noman. Thank you, Delta. Thank you, Tamu. Thank you so much, guys. Really appreciate it. And yeah, just calling it a day here. Stay safe, brothers. I'll see you tomorrow. We'll have a great stream tomorrow. You gotta tune in, man. See you guys.